Hello friends, we are into the Shrawan month of festivities. My culinary expressions is here again with another festive expression. This time it is the Mithi Maani or Mitho Lolo recipe. Mitho Lolo is a Sindhi Sweet Flatbread that is made from whole wheat flour, jaggery, sugar and a generous amount of ghee. Usually, Mitho Lolo is made on Thadri or Satain festival, though its variations can be made anytime during the rest of the year. Here, a combination of jaggery and sugar has been used to make the syrup for kneading the dough. Friends, hope you are enjoying my culinary expressions. Do like, subscribe and share my videos among your friends and family. I'll be delighted to see your comments. Now, it's time to get started. Here are the ingredients. We'll take 2 cups of whole wheat flour, that is atta. Here we have used sugar as well as jaggery. So we'll take 1/4 cup of jaggery, which is cut into small pieces so as to dissolve easily in water, and we have also taken 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Both sugar and jaggery are dissolved in water. We need 1/4 cup of water for jaggery and sugar. Then half cup of ghee and more for applying on the Lolas. Oil also we need only to apply on the Lolas, and more water to knead the dough. Three to 4 hours ahead of making the Lolas, we will take jaggery and sugar and add water to it. Within 3 to 4 hours, the sugar and jaggery will dissolve in the water and the syrup is ready to make the dough. Some people add just sugar, some add just jaggery, but here I have used a mix of both. Here the syrup is ready. Now we will proceed. To the wheat flour, we will add ghee little by little, and we'll try to get a crumbly texture. Here again, some people add only oil, but the taste of ghee is simply splendid. The recipe calls for half cup of ghee, but we will start with 1/4 cup and then keep on adding little by little. The amount of ghee used again depends on the flour. So we'll start with 1/4 cup and keep on adding more. Maximum would be half a cup. There we've got a crumbly texture. Tip to know whether the oil is adequate, we take the flour in our fist and it will hold together. This is a great cue. Now with the sugar and jaggery solution, we will knead the dough for the Lolas. Again, here we will add the syrup a little at a time. Indeed, a good exercise for our arms. Keep kneading with the sugar and jaggery mixture till the dough is formed. If need be, you can add a little bit of water. The sugar and jaggery syrup is over, but I think we need a little bit of water. The dough has to be firm but not hard. The dough is ready. I think it's just perfect. Now we'll cover it with a damp cloth and keep it aside for some time. After a couple of minutes, we will form equal size balls from the dough. From the recipe, we have been able to make around 5 Mithi Maanis or the Lolas. Once the balls are made, we will keep them covered and take out one ball at a time and roll it out for each Mithi Maani. Roll out the Maani or the Lola with a gentle hand. Do not apply more pressure. Now we place the rolled out Mithi Maani on a warm tawa or skillet. The flame will be low to medium. We will apply a little oil or ghee from time to time so that the Mithi Maani doesn't burn and also it gets a nice color. Flip it twice or thrice, applying a little ghee or oil till the Mithi Maani is cooked. You must have noticed that I have used very less ghee. This is because once the Mithi Maani is done, I'm going to immerse it in a mix of ghee and oil. Now we are done with the Mithi Maani and we will immerse it in the mix of ghee and oil. You may use only ghee, you may use only oil, that's your choice. We'll flip it so that the other side is also immersed in the oil or ghee, and then drain the ghee and transfer to a plate. Repeat the steps for all the Mithi Maanis. Wow, the Mithi Maanis are ready, but they are still hot. So let them cool down to room temperature and then place them in a container and enjoy on the day of Thadri. I wish you all a happy Satain, a happy Thadri, which is just a few days away. Hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Till then, goodbye.